Hello everyone, welcome again to my channel. Today I am back with you with number 8 of the 12 days of Christmas swap, and this is a beautiful bag that Brigitta sent to me. She created this tag which is made with beautiful stars and again a beautiful number element there. Oh, and let me see. Oh, I am totally doing this the wrong side. This is it. This is how you're supposed to look at it. So that's that. Thank you for the beautiful bag as well. Oh, really? Oh, wow. These swap goodies are just stunning. Loving it. Wow. I will post the link down below as she will tell you all the details of all these pages. So stay tuned for that as well. And I am trying to soak in all the details that are on this first page. Loving it. Loving the color of this ring. All these teeny tiny elements there. Such a cute and fun die, Brigitta. And I'm hoping you will see it in frame here. Wow. As I said, I will be flipping through, but the detailed video I will put the link down below of at Brigitta's channel. I believe I'm supposed to open this bow up and then share with you all of the details there. This came all up. This is like tuck spot here. I love it. And this, yeah, really such a fun pocket there on top. Try to slide it in. And this one also has a sort of a, really, oh, does this one has such a fun element there. Wow, loving that one. So it opens up on the naughty list, definitely on that. Let me see this one as well. And these elements are to open up and to shadows. Santa, loving it. Putting it inside there, and this is supposed to be here, I think. And is this also opening? This one or this one? Is this one open? No, this one is like this. Have I missed out on this one? No, that's a pocket. So, cute pocket there. And do I slide out? Yeah, I did. Forget this one as well. Open that one like this. And then we have this, which is also a tag there. Loving this one. Such a cute, oh, the colors are just perfect. You can see the beautiful Christmas colors, and just loving all the details of the pockets. And I'm trying to see if I don't miss a detail of the pages. And I just love the rings that you used as well. These in the middle there. And these kind of beautiful booklets there. And can see this super cute cluster there of bling pieces. Again, a tag here, which is quite sturdy cardstock. You have to tell me how you did this one, because it's really sturdy. Let me see, tuck it inside. And this one opens up as well. Loving this. And this, such a fun decorative idea there. And seeing this one, loving it. Thank you so much for taking your time, Brigitta, and creating this album for me. Loving the candies as well. Are those a die? I'm not sure. You have to tell me as well. And these fun elements there, tags with a quote or a word. And this is the last page with a beautiful heart-shaped pocket there. A letter from Santa or to Santa. And then a cute tag here. Just loving it. Thank you so much for this beautiful album that you created using the papers. I believe these are simple story papers. Just let me know if that's true in the comments below. And as I said, I will be taking detailed pictures of all of these pages and link you down below to her channel as well. And I'll talk to you all soon. Bye bye.